Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a really long time since I've shot something, but if you have been following me on Instagram or saw my old YouTube videos, I am pretty sure you always saw me with big round specs, but guess what? It's not here anymore. I got my eye surgery done, and in this video I'm going to cover all the things, my experience, my doctor, the costing, why I chose ICL over LASIK, and if you're also considering it, this is the right video for you. So let's just dive right in. So let's start with my specs journey. I wore specs for around 18 years. I'm 21 years old, so imagine almost all my life I wore specs. And I had a number of 11 and 13, which was a struggle, to be very honest. I never met a lot of people who had such a big number, but if you are watching it and you have a similar number, I really understand the pain, because the first thing that you do when you wake up in the morning is search for your specs. And by chance, अगर आप कहीं ऐसा रख के भूल गए, तो you have to do a proper search hunt कि है कहाँ specs, because you cannot see clearly. It's all blur. You can recognize colors, but it's a struggle. In case you're wondering why I didn't go for contact lenses, I did try them for a while, and what my problem was कि I had a huge number, and the one that I contacted for contact lenses, they suggested me that they only have a number lens में जो मेरे exact number से थोड़ा सा नीचे है. For example, if I'm wearing 11, they had the contact lenses for 10. So if I used to wear them for a longer run, it used to give me a bad headache, not a little bad headache. And also in the longer run, if I'm wearing a number which is lower than my exact number, it's going to ruin my eyes even more. There are different struggles for contact lenses, to be honest. If you're comfortable, it is good, great for you. But for me, dry eyes, itchiness, you need to be very careful, need to be very mindful of your activities. So it was a struggle for me. What is the basic criteria to get ICL done? So if you have a high number which LASIK cannot correct, then ICL is the one for you, just like my case. ICL can also be done from the number 1 to, I guess, more than 20. What are few basic criteria for ICL surgery? You need to be over 18. Second, your number needs to be stable for 1 whole year. Third, if LASIK cannot correct your high power number. Fourth, if you have a thin cornea, LASIK can be risky, so they suggest ICL for that as well. After reading a lot about ICL, we also got to know that ICL is reversible and it does not touch your cornea like in LASIK. In ICL, it gives you a sharper vision than LASIK. Plus, ICL is safe and the right choice for a higher number like me. From where I got it done and the doctor's name. So I got it done from I7. They got plenty of outlets in Delhi. I got it from the Janakpuri branch, and my doctor's name was Dr. Sarika Jindal. This is a non-sponsored video. We paid for the whole surgery. Let's talk about the costing. I'm pretty sure everyone is curious about it. So my surgery costed around 1,90,000 plus the medicines and everything makes a round of 2 lakhs. The price also varies from the lens that you choose and the hospital that suggests you according to your number. We were suggested the one made in Switzerland, which approximately took 20 to 25 days to come to India. I know it's very pricey, but it's an investment for your vision for the rest of your life. So I had to go through several tests, checking if my number is stable since the last 1 year. Few more tests that I don't really know the name of, but it took us about 2 to 3 hours. They put some medicines and everything. They checked if my retina is healthy. It is very important for your retina to be healthy, and this is also a reminder for you to get your retina checked. So once you clear all the tests, then you have to go to a different branch. The one that I went was in Daryaganj. वहाँ पे आपका जो भी लेंस का साइज होता है that they will be putting up in your eyes, उसका साइजिंग ली जाती है. A very small test takes approximately an hour, and then you just have to wait for the lens to come. Procedure of the surgery. So 1 day before the surgery, they give you one eye drop जो आपको every 2 hours अपनी eyes में put करनी होती है. I guess it's something to protect you from the bacteria. And you have to not use any contact lenses for, I guess, 24 hours to 48 hours before the surgery. No makeup, nothing. Just to keep your eyes clear. Few days before the surgery, you have to go get some blood tests done जो hospital ने आपको बताए होते हैं, and also an ECG done. and you have to submit it to the hospital. My surgery was 8 in the morning. जैसे हम वहाँ पहुँचे, they gave me a few medicines to eat, something antibacterial, Combiflame for the pain after the surgery. The whole procedure takes 20 to 30 minutes total. They put a small cut in your eye and put the lens in. The anesthesia is there, so you do not feel any sort of pain. It's just a little pressure on your eyes because you need to keep your eye open so that they can do the things clearly. After the surgery, they put bandages on your eyes like this and ask you to rest for 2 hours. I slept like crazy. But after that, slowly, I guess approximately around 24 hours, your vision will get clear. It takes a little while, but it is going to be crystal clear soon. What is the post-op procedure? So once you take the bandages off, you do not rub your eyes. You do not put any makeup for approximately 3 months. 3 months is the period of rest for your eyes. You do not do anything with them. You do not swim. You do not wash your जैसे पानी का छिट्टा मारते हैं लोग. You do not do that for 3 months. 3 months is crucial for your eyes to heal properly. You put in every eye drop that they give, and also you need to eat a medicine for 10 days for it to heal a little more faster. You need to get the eye checkup done as well. 1 day after the surgery, 1 week after the surgery, 1 month after the surgery, and then 3 months when you are done with the recovery fully. And to protect your eyes from the dust and everything, I wore these black sunglasses to avoid the exposure of light for the first 3 days. They suggest you that you can watch TV after 24 hours as well once the vision is a little clear, but you try to rest as much as possible. Important thing you need to know before you get your ICL done. For example, what if my number comes back? What if after 5 years I have a number of 1? So what will I do? Do I need to wear specs again? Do I replace my ICL lens? No, you can get an additional LASIK done on top of your eyes. If you're thinking to get the ICL surgery done, go for it. It's a beautiful decision that my family made, and it's super comfortable. It's been more than 3 months for me now. Touch wood, everything has been going smoothly. I have been more confident. I spent all my life wearing specs, but now when I think of it, not waking up and searching for my specs and everything, it makes life a little more easier. That was my whole ICL journey, and in case I missed anything, you can comment down on this video. I'll reply to you, and if not, then you can DM me on Instagram as well. This is my ID. I hope this helped you out, and if you're planning out on your ICL soon, all the best. I hope it goes well. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know if you want to see more informative videos about my eye surgery or anything in general. I am here to answer all your queries.